Hi guys, today I am so excited to show you my cute little chair. I got this from Amazon. It is so, besides it being darling, it's absolutely effective. So I love using this. You could see the little ridges. It's intended for, you know, a tablet, a device to easily just go ahead and sit in there. Perhaps you're watching a video. You can go ahead and, you know, watch your video this way, doing it horizontally or vertically. You can just move it upwards like that. Maybe you're FaceTiming with a friend, video chatting, a Zoom call, whatever, and you're using it on your phone. You can just go ahead and easily place it there, find the angle that looks good for you, and then you are good to go from there. So I love that it has this chair design. It's seriously so adorable. I can't get over it. If you have a tiny little animal, you could have them sit there, but that's not what the product is necessarily for. I just think the design is really innovative and cute, and it's not just some ugly metal looking contraption that doesn't look adorable. So 2-in-1, it's cute, and it also serves a purpose. If you're interested, you can snag one for yourself on Amazon.